Hey everyone, welcome to my new video and my home. There are some things I want to talk about in this kind of new format, but first I really want to show you something. This came in the mail just recently. So it's tada, the brand new silver YouTube button for achieving, or rather for passing 100,000 subscribers. And yeah, I didn't think this would be possible for me. I didn't have any expectations when I started last year. It grew into a channel I really never imagined, and this is all thanks to you guys. So again, big thank you all of you for subscribing, for watching my content, for all the likes, for all the comments, all the feedback I received, whether it was positive or negative. So again, thank you guys. Now I would like to talk about my upcoming work, my release schedule, how I actually do things. If you're maybe new to the channel and you didn't notice how I approach releasing my stuff here on YouTube, I want to go over that a little bit. So basically, I have some kind of a design process. I create one or two unique illustrations every week and put them out here on YouTube in a kind of a time-lapse format. It's not really a time-lapse, but it's sped up so it doesn't take like 2 or 3 hours of the video. And basically it's all about the creative process and how I approach things, what workflows I use, what tools I use, and how I grow as a designer basically. And then I create commentary videos that are released every 2 weeks. And basically I take some of the concepts I introduced in these process videos I release every week, simplify the scene so it fits in like an half an hour or 45-minute format, or try to do it kind of faster than I did the original one. And I receive a lot of feedback on the videos, on the process videos as well as the commentary ones, and I really enjoy reading them. So yeah, please keep like commenting and giving feedback on what you like, what you don't like, what you want to learn. I take all into considerations, and sometimes it's a little bit hard because I really would like to create things you want to see, but at the same time I have only limited time on my hands, so I need to stick to like my schedule and creative process and keep releasing that stuff. But if one type of feedback basically accumulates in some direction, I always take that into consideration and might release something that you would really like to see. So again, thank you all for commenting and leaving the feedback. I really enjoy going through that and learning more about you. I really like to help you in the comment section if it's possible for me. So that's the release schedule, and I will try to keep things going in this manner for upcoming months. I would like to sprinkle in maybe some journaling sessions or behind the scenes video like this one. Yeah, so be sure to let me know in the comments if you'd like to see maybe more behind the scenes content like this from me, and what topics would you like to hear about, whether it's inspiration, creative process, business side of things, basically whatever comes to your mind. So I'm really looking forward to seeing your feedback. In a lot of comments, you're asking for a more in-depth explanation of the tools and the stuff I use. Sometimes that's not possible for me to do, because for me it's about the idea and showing you how you can bring it to life in some kind of 3D illustration or image, or maybe animation. And that really takes some time to create the whole scene, to really model everything, you know, and to try different types of lighting and stuff like that. That's why there are mostly process videos without commentary and just some commentary videos. And even in those, sometimes I don't have time to go more and more in depth. I try to help you in the comment section, but I know that sometimes it's not enough. So yeah, I've created this course on polygonrunway.com. You can find a link in the description, and basically that serves as a starting point for beginners to really take the Blender for the first time and start learning how to navigate 3D, you know, how to use the tools and all that stuff, and really what keys to press and how the shortcuts work and everything like that. So yeah, the course should really be the starting point. There's even the free episode you can start doing right away that will explain some of the basics. If you're interested and you're really just beginning with the 3D, go check it out. And for the rest of you, I hope you enjoy these process videos and some of these commentary videos. I will definitely try to make more of them. There's one more thing I would like to mention, and that's about my Patreon. As you know, I publish all of my scenes, all of my Blender files there. So every time I release a process video, there is a Patreon file for that particular scene. And recently I started doing these breakdowns because I have a lot of sketches lying around. There is a whole creative and inspiration process behind the work I do. And a lot of you were asking about this in the comments. I noticed like many of you either here or on the Instagram were asking about how I come up with these ideas. Where do I get inspiration from? If I do sketches, if I don't. So I figured I'll try to introduce you more to the side of process. And I have like a lot of these sketchbooks lying around with all of the sketches for the scenes I do. So I figured I will try to like scan them and put them in some kind of article, and then I have all of these like reference boards when I try to do a research and put the ideas together. So I am making screenshots of those and basically describing the process behind the idea, how it came to life, what inspiration I took, what references I used, and I put it as an article on the Patreon, or if you're subscribed to my newsletter on the polygonrunway.com, you can receive this in your mailbox. So I thought it'll be useful to mention this here, that's a little bit of a new thing you can get your hands on. And you saw there are a lot of sketches there, and I have a lot of mood boards, so maybe I will go a little bit over my older projects and release some older stuff sometimes, or maybe let me know in the comments if there is some particular scene you would like to see the inspiration process or behind the scenes content about. In the end, for me, it's about showing you the process behind how I come up with some inspiration and how I take that idea into a sketch, because I don't work in a vacuum and there are a lot of places I go for inspiration. There are a lot of artists that inspire me, a lot of things, movies, pop culture, whatever you have, but there's a certain process behind all of this, how I mix and match all of this together to create some unique pieces. And in the end, my ultimate goal is to show you these things and basically enable you to come up with your own ideas, your own inspiration, and showing you a way how to mix and match things you love and you're really passionate about, so you can come up with new art that's really unique to you and you can be proud of. So yeah, that's about the new Patreon and newsletter stuff. There are these articles that you can subscribe to and read how I come up with these scenes every week. And again, this is all thanks to you guys. I'm really happy about this. I really didn't think this would be possible, so thank you all. And since you watched all the way here, I have a little surprise. I didn't mention that in the description or the title. I want to do a giveaway, so if you're interested in enrolling to my courses, you can try to participate in this contest. Basically, I want to do this over Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account and you follow Polygon Runway, you can just go on and post some image, whether it's an artwork you created based on some of my tutorials, or it's a picture of you somehow connected to Polygon Runway. Basically whatever, just post some picture and tag me in the description with the Polygon Runway tag. You will see it here on the screen, and use the hashtag #SilverRunway, so I know that you watched this video all the way here. So yeah, if you'd like to check out my course, you're free to participate in this giveaway. I will be very happy to see your post on the Instagram, and in a week or so I will figure out the way how to basically scroll randomly through these posts and pick three of you to get access to the course. You will receive a direct message about this. So yeah, those are basically the rules. Again, just pick some of your artworks or any image that connects you with Polygon Runway, write a short description, tag me there, and use the Silver Runway hashtag so I know you're participating in this giveaway. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to see some of the content I've just talked about, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button if you want to additionally get notified when I release something new. And thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.